Hi, hello, welcome to manama India A to Z channel. Today recipe is ginger recipe. Ingredients needed: ginger 250 gram. Ginger first peel it, then slice it. Light thickness. Small onion 10 piece. Dry chili 5 piece. Chop it small pieces. Put a frying pan to the gas stove. Add 100 gram coconut oil or sunflower oil. Then fry chopped ginger. 1 spoon grated coconut. Another pan to the stove. Then fry the grated coconut. Okay, now the ginger is ready. To change a bowl, grated coconut is fried. Now flame off. Then add 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon chili powder. Then mix it. Wait for cooling. All ginger fried. Then chopped small onion fry. Little color change. Add the curry leaves and the dry chili. Then fry it. Now it is ready. Wait for cooling. It's cooled. Take a grinded jar. Put all the fried items. Then grind it. Okay, now the gravy is ready. Take 2 spoon water. Add 1 piece tamarind for tamarind juice. Need 1 small piece jaggery. On the same ginger fried oil, put 1 tablespoon mustard. Then add the chopped small onion. Then fried. Little color change. Add the chili and the curry leaves. Fry it. Then add the grinded mixture. Mix it. Then add the 2 spoon tamarind juice. Then add the jaggery. Then mix it. Then add 1 glass water. Well mixing. Add salt for tasting. Wait for cooking. Now okay, it's ready. Above the oil, the curry is ready. Flame off. Then 5 minutes later to change a serving bowl. The ginger recipe is ready. Thank you for watching.